Hello everyone, my name is Vanshita and welcome back to my channel Educational Tutorial by Vanshita. This is day 2 of our Hindi tutorial and in this video I am going to cover about Hindi consonants. So let's begin our session. What are consonants? As I told you in the previous video also that consonants are the letters which are dependent on vowels. How? We'll discuss in this video. In this image you can see that I have mentioned all the consonant name by using English alphabet. Now why I have mentioned this? So that you can remember their pronunciation. The first consonant is K. While speaking K, what we feel? We feel that K is a combination of K plus chota A. Okay? In this way, all the vowels help consonants in pronunciation. The second consonant is Kh. Again, Kh is a combination of Kh plus Chota A. Kh is also using Chota A vowel. Now the third one is G. G is also using Chota A consonant. Now this one is called Gh. G-H-A, Gh. Now, what this consonant called? This consonant called Ra. Now, this consonant called Ch. This one called Ch. This one called J. This one called Jh. This one called Ya. Now, this consonant called T. This consonant called Th. This one called D. This one called Dh. This consonant called R. This one called T. This consonant called Th. This consonant called D. This consonant called Dh. This one N. This one P. This one F. This one B. This one Bh. This one M. This one consonant called Y. This one consonant called R. This one called L. This one V. Now, there are 3 sh in Hindi consonants. Now, their pronunciation is different, right? So, what is this pronunciation? This is called sh. This is called sh. This is called sa. This one called ha. This one called cha. This one called tra. And this one called gya. You can ask your queries through comments. You can also join my Telegram group for asking your queries. And for the latest videos and notes, you can join my Telegram channel. On that channel, I used to upload all the videos, link, all the notes which are related to these videos. So you can join that and you can access all the things very easily. All the links are present in description. If you like my video, then press like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.